Hey, Adam here with Georgia Spa Company. Today we want to share some tips on how to initially balance your hot tub. After you've initially filled the hot tub and turned on the breakers, we then want to move to our water care kit that is provided with your startup. There are going to be a few things in here to go over. The main thing, some test strips, you have some balancing chemicals, and then you have some other items that we'll shoot in later videos. The things we want to focus on right now are the test strips. One of the main things you want to do when testing the water is simply take one of the strips out and make sure that you horizontally dip the strip. If you do it vertically, you'll find that the colors bleed together. So we're going to dip a strip into the water. You can wait 15 seconds. Now that's going to be key for those colors to turn correctly. After 15 seconds, you're going to then take your readings. This is a good time to have a notepad and a piece of paper to write down your results. Once the results are complete, you could then go back, and we want to start with alkalinity increaser. Go to your maintenance guidelines sheet to see what your system requires for alkalinity. There are two products that you use to increase or decrease alkalinity based on your results: the total alkalinity increaser, and you can find a table on the back of each of the bottles to provide the right information on how much to add to your tub. Once you've balanced alkalinity, you want to run the jets when you add water care products, 15 to 30 minutes in between each dosage that you do. After we've adjusted the alkalinity, we now want to move to the pH. We're going to take the results that we pulled earlier off our test strips, and depending if we have to decrease or increase our pH level, there are two products that come in our water care kit. One's the SpaGuard pH increaser and one's the SpaGuard pH decreaser. Depending on your results, you're going to take the bottle you need to adjust, and you're going to find a table on the back of the bottle that's going to give you the correct amount for the gallons that you have. Again, run your jets for a 15 to 30 minute period and allow the water care products to mix into your tub before moving to the next step. So after we've ran our jets for 15 to 30 minutes with the pH increaser or decreaser, we now want to move to the next step, and that's making sure our calcium is balanced. Depending on the system that you're running, there's going to be some different results. What we really are looking for is not to be below 25 parts per million, and if you're above 100 parts per million, please contact us via phone or email to see what steps you need to take with calcium. The beauty about calcium, once you get it balanced on an initial fill, you won't have to adjust it anymore until your next drain and refill. So after you've initially balanced your tub with the pH, alkalinity, and calcium, you might find some other water care products in your startup kit. Now, depending on the system that you have purchased and what you're using to sanitize your water, you might find some chlorine concentrate, and then you'll also find anti-foam. This is a great product in a Band-Aid. If you have a little bit of foam in the tub and you want to use the tub, just put a couple of squirts in there, and that will alleviate any foaming that you might have for the use. Now, we always recommend, if you are having foaming, to come into the store with a water sample bottle that we've also included, and we'll professionally test your water and tell you exactly what you need to do to get your tub balanced. Stain and scale control is a great product, especially if you're using a well system. This is going to help prevent any kind of staining caused by iron or copper or any other metals that might be in the water. It's a great additive to give you a clear tub and not cause any kind of staining on metals or heaters and things like that. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful. We also have some additional services like our Easy Valet and Home Auto Ship programs to help you maintain your spa. If you would like to learn more information about these programs, or if you have any additional questions or concerns about this video, please call or email us. We can also be found at georgiaspotcompany.com.
Bringing relaxation home, right where I want to be.